Okay, for this problem, I went ahead and drew a graph to kind of model what's happening with the rocket. The vertex is going to be the high point where it explodes, and I can find that time value as negative b divided by 2a. It always gives me the x term in my vertex. So negative b over 2a is going to be negative 64 over 2 times negative 16, which comes out to negative 64 over negative 32, and that's going to reduce to 2. So 2 is what I'm looking for my x value of my vertex. I'm actually looking for the height in this problem. That's the height at the vertex. So I'm going to plug the 2 into the original equation, and that's going to give me the y value, which is the same as our height. So h of t is equal to negative 16 times 2 squared plus 64 times 2 plus 80. And I'll just work it out here. It's the only thing that's happening right now. I'm just doing all these little steps. So I end up having negative 64 plus 128 plus 80, which ends up coming out to 144. The 144, I do not have a unit of measure here. Some of y'all, when you did it the first time, you assumed it was in feet, but it doesn't tell me that, so I just need to put 144. If I have a unit of measure, then I need to put whatever that is. In this case, it's just 144.